Hello, in this tutorial we're going to talk about what I believe is a underutilized tool in YouTube, and that's using YouTube to edit your digital still pictures into a video. So to begin the process, I'm going to go to Upload once I'm logged into YouTube, and I have several options here. I can create videos through a webcam, photo slideshow, a Hangout, or the video editor. I'm going to select Photo Slideshow, so I'm going to select Create. And it's going to ask which photos you'd like to use in your slideshow. I could use photos that I've already created in an album. I could upload photos from a flash drive or my desktop or computer. These are some photos that I have used previously, so I'm going to select the 7 photos that I took in my classroom last week as students were working on a project. So I'm going to select that and hit select down here on the bottom. So it's taken the 7 photos, and I can rearrange these at this point. So maybe I want to use this particular photo as the first one. Maybe I want to end the slideshow on that particular picture. At this point, I could also add more pictures if I like. At this point, I'm going to go down to Next and go to the next step in the process. And it has uploaded the videos, or sorry, the pictures, and it does have some options down here. I could select different durations for the slides. I can do it also to fit the music or pick a specific number of seconds. For slide effect, I could have no effect or this Ken Burns effect here, the pan and zoom. And then for transition, I can pick a crossfade, which is the default, or I could pick different things as far as the sliding feature, and it'll create different transitions between the pictures. On the right hand side, I have a selection of music that I could add. So if I wanted to add this electronica song, it will automatically add the audio to the background of the video, and there's over 150,000 different tracks. You can also select, I'm going to pause this for a second here. You can also select according to the genre of music, or you could select no audio. Alright, so if you wanted to create a really fast basic slideshow from your pictures, this would be what I believe would be the best option. Once you're done, you go to upload and it'll automatically upload it to YouTube as a video. Now if you want to get a little bit fancier, you can go to the advanced editor, and in the advanced editor you're going to have a lot more options as far as what you'd like to do with your slideshow. If I scroll down here just a little bit, you'll notice that I do have the music that I selected still in the background, but then once you come to each picture, you have the ability to change that. So like this is going to be on for 4 seconds with a 2-second transition. I could put in a different transition here, but I can also do things with the particular photo. So notice that down here when you go over the picture, there's a little editing tool here. So if I select this and then go to the editing tool, up here I can go to quick fixes, so I could do like an auto fix and it'll automatically check the lighting. I can do contrast and compare, brightness and contrast here. I can shut off the pan and zoom, and I can also go to filters, and I have all kinds of options here that I could apply if I want to make it sepia tone, and you can apply more than one. So maybe I want to add let's see, modern pop along with that, so to actually layer the different effects onto that picture. You can also preview the effects side by side with the original video to kind of compare the two. And you can also add text. So if you go to text, you can add all different kinds of text here. Banner height, if you want just kind of a lower thirds type thing. You can pick the amount of color that you want. You can align it left, right, or center. So a lot of different options that you can apply to each individual picture. And then if you want to go back to the project, you can just click back on the project. At any time you can preview, and you can see what your video looks like. You can come up here and you can add more photos, or you can even add a video to it if you want. You have music selections here, again different genres, and you can do some more things with transitions and then add text to it. So once you have it completed, all you do is click publish, and it'll take a little bit for it to publish, so you'll see this screen when it first comes up, but when you come back in a couple minutes you will have a completed video just from your digital still pictures. So lots of options here if you want to create a really fast high quality video from your pictures, the YouTube editor is a great way to go.